U.S. plans to put CHIPS Act cash in the Vietnamese semiconductor industry, exploiting a more youthful labor force and lessening reliance on China. U.S. Undersecretary of State for Financial Development Jose Fernandez reported that the U.S., under the CHIPS and Science Act, will put resources into Vietnam's semiconductor industry in a bid to expand supply chains and lessen reliance on China. This move gives off an impression of being essential for a bigger $500 million worldwide drive to upgrade semiconductor preparation, online protection, and business environments in 7 designated nations, including Vietnam. As per a report from Nikkei. First, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you found the content helpful and insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest finance tips and insights. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as part of the Finance Savvy community. By subscribing, you not only stay updated with our upcoming videos but also contribute to the growth of our channel. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future topics, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thanks again for being with us. Stay financially savvy, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Now, going back to the article. In 2022, the U.S. Senate passed a regulation to help the homegrown semiconductor industry called the U.S. CHIPS and Science Act. The $280 billion spending bundle was endorsed into regulation on August 9 by President Joe Biden and was intended to support the development of the U.S. semiconductor industry and assist the U.S. with winning a prospering chip battle with China. Global Foundries, Intel, Samsung Foundry, Texas Instruments, TSMC, and different organizations that form semiconductor-producing offices in the USA invited the move. The CHIPS Act, formerly called H.R. 4346, approved the U.S. government to grant U.S. chipmakers with about $52 billion in awards and different impetuses and gave a 25% venture tax break for new fabs worth up to $24 billion. What's more, the regulation gave more than $170 billion over the following 5 years to different logical exploration works in the USA. Be that as it may, has it been fruitful? Which organizations have been the enormous champs, and how has the U.S. semiconductor industry moved along? Here's the beginning and end you want to be aware of. Vietnam isn't known for its chip-producing abilities, as it doesn't have any, yet Intel's test and gathering office close to Ho Chi Minh City is fundamental to its overall store network. Besides, many organizations gather gadgets in Vietnam, so the nation without a doubt consumes a great deal of chips and as of now assumes a significant part in the worldwide hardware production network. Over the long run, Vietnam could foster its semiconductor ability, Fernandez accepts. This opinion is shared by NVIDIA. Quote, "We went through a rundown of nations that we felt could profit from our CHIPS Act backing, and Vietnam was quite possibly the earliest country that we pondered," unquote, Fernandez told Nikkei. Fernandez likewise featured Vietnam's true capacity as an assembling center point. HP is moving its PC gathering to Vietnam, Mexico, and Thailand, taking note of its young labor force as a key resource. He energized making the most of this, as it may not be a never-ending and open door. Vietnam has huge stores of intriguing earth metals. The nation is positioned second universally after China, as indicated by U.S. topographical review information referred to by Nikkei. This reality likewise assumes a vital part in the U.S. procedure to counter Chinese predominance in the uncommon earth market. The U.S. expects to modify its presence available of interesting earth metals by restoring its mines and offering backing to Vietnam for reviewing its mineral stores. Fernandez stressed the earnestness for Vietnam to draw an interest in key ventures, for example, clean energy and minerals urgent for electric vehicles and batteries. This drive lines up with Vietnam's endeavors to be assigned as a market economy by the U.S., a status that would prompt duty decreases and, at last, ventures. Challenges in acquiring grants are as of now obstructing expected U.S. speculations, notwithstanding, which could add up to as much as $8 billion, including ventures from chip organizations focused on utilizing just clean power. The U.S. will base its unfamiliar guide choices under the CHIPS follow-up on proposals from the Association for Monetary Coactivity and Improvement, OECD. These proposals, due in February, will zero in on distinguishing what Vietnam needs to foster its semiconductor industry, especially in regions like preparation. Again, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you found the content helpful and insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest finance tips and insights. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as part of the Finance Savvy community. By subscribing, you not only stay updated with our upcoming videos, but also contribute to the growth of our channel. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for future topics, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thanks again for being with us. Stay financially savvy, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a fantastic day.